When it comes to credit and finance, wake up and win with Monique Macklin.
Hello, and thank you for taking the time to listen to this brief yet informative message. My name is Monique Macklin. I'm the CEO of The Credit Lady. I've been in the credit and funding industry since 1997, in business for myself since 2008. I've helped thousands of people nationwide change their credit and financial lives for the better. I also have an extensive background in helping businesses put strategic plans in place to start, grow, and scale their businesses. So many entrepreneurial clients that I have are struggling to get off the ground. They don't have the right systems in place, and many don't have the funding they need for inventory, for expansion, for payroll, and for so much more. Many of you are using your payroll dollars, your 9-to-5 money, to keep your businesses afloat, and that is honestly a recipe for disaster. So what I'm doing in this brief message is I'm inviting you to schedule an appointment on my calendar under business development. Let's have a conversation about your goals, issues that you're encountering with scaling, and let's put together a plan to get your business moving in the right direction. Get the money that you'll need to grow. I ask that you go to www.creditladytime.com. Once again, my personal calendar is www.creditladytime.com. Select business development and take advantage of the free consultation that is being extended to you. If your goal is to make 2022 and beyond the year that you turn your business around, that you start generating the revenue that you need and want for yourself, for your business, for your employees, then again, let's have a conversation on exactly what needs to be put in place to get you on the right track. Now, I will see you at the top because, as we all know, the bottom is way too crowded. Once again, this is Monique Macklin, and I hope you have yourself a blessed and a very prosperous day. Take care.